what do you need to do when you purchase your first investment property? And let me tell you that the first thing that you need to do is you need to activate utility services, water, electricity, and if the property has got a gas line, activate the gas line. The second one, you want to get a dumpster because you need to start cleaning the property before you start doing any work to the property. So let me show you. Everything needs to be cleaned up from the inside out. Floor is scraped, carpet out. Kitchen, everything needs to go out. See, everything from the kitchen needs to go out. We got some guys working in the attic right now, replacing the air conditioning and the HVAC. Bathrooms. This is the living. And this is the master suite. ¿Cómo está? Buenos días.
Sí, buenos días, buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes ya, ¿verdad?
Sí, ya.
And then from the backyard, everything needs to be cleaned up. So all of this, it's gotta go. This panel is a little bit old, so this is something that you need to be aware of when you are getting your acquisitions, right? So in this case, we're replacing the air conditioning unit. We're also replacing the roof, and we're also gonna get new windows. So this is the meter. In this case, our property's got gas, electricity, and water. So that was the first thing I did after we closed on this project. So let me show you, because this house we also need to replace the roof. So we can barely see from here, but then this also needs to be replaced. And this is where everything goes, guys.